Hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. It's time to start building our dream. So we are at Asheville Vehicle Outfitters, Jacksonville, or AVO JAX. Pretty cool building. We've got lots of vehicles. There's Rampage. Got some Toyotas in the parking lot. Pretty nice. And then here's a brand new Ineos Grenadier. These are pretty cool. It's got the snorkel built in, winch already. This thing's ready to go explore. It's got these nice little pop tops. Got Dodge back here. There's Brad's Jeep from Overlanders. We'll probably bump into him, get him to say hi. Got a Lexus over here, and then we got a soft top Rubicon. Pretty nice. I like the Cummins. Let me go show you guys around. It's pretty sweet. AVO Jacksonville team's out here. Here's their four-wheel campers. Saw these down at Jeep Beach. This is their Project M. Pretty cool setup from Four Wheels Campers. There's Brad. We'll give him a mic and let him say hi in a little bit. These are pretty cool. Lots of space. Doesn't look like you'd have that much space in a Gladiator. Doesn't hang over too far. It's about even with the fender flares, so nice awning. Go show you their showroom. So if you need some work done, this is pretty cool. So they've got a lift over here, forklift to move the pallets around. As you can see, they got tires, prepping for customers. They've got cabs they're prepping for customers, and then they've got their display area over here. A couple of alu-cabs and Four Wheels campers. This thing's pretty sweet. You can walk in, check it out. Let's just go check one out. So, wow, it's pretty nice. Countertop, cook burner, sink here. Everything folds up. Nice little bed. Here's a little sitting area down here. You got windows around. Soft-sided top, hard front and back. Definitely nice. It's got a little fan in the top. Another fan over here for when you're cooking. This one over here, very similar. It's got an alu-cab awning on the side. They're running off shore power to light everything, so that's good when you're out camping and you want to stop and charge up your batteries or just run lights where you're going to be parked for a few days. The alu-cab's pretty cool. It's got the rear hard door on here, little ladder, small sitting area, and then you've got a rooftop tent upstairs. Got some external storage for all your recovery gear, little shower awning. It's got some roof rack bars up there, so if you wanted to haul kayaks, you could do that. Front side, all these go over the cab. Again, this is a Four Wheels camper pop-up. They've been making pop-up campers for years. Swing out tire carriers, that's kind of cool. So, you got a place to put your spare. Over here, we've got a couple different alu-cabs. One that's hard-sided, one with glass. Glass front and rear, if you want that. That's the shop. Let's go check out their showroom. So over here, they've got a front runner stove just like we've got. It's got the griddle plates and everything, really nice. A couple of front runner jerry cans, some Max Trax light. These are the new ones, so they're real short. They're only like 2.5 feet long, 30 inches. These are all the different brands they carry and sell. Dominic Fridge, AVO swag, and then over here, so this is their main showroom, and they've got all the different parts they have, from Old Man Emu lifts, Garmin systems, ARB, come up winches, and this is something somebody was telling me about. These are really cool. So this is a new product from Garmin, this Garmin Power Switch. You can actually control your lights and everything from an app on your phone. And so if you downloaded the app on Apple CarPlay, I've heard you can use this too. So that's a really cool product. Then they've got some navigation tablets down there, some Max Trax recovery ropes, Max Trax boards, Also over here, you get into the ARB recovery equipment, compressors for lockers, extra manifold kits, and then over here you got come up winches. So that's really cool. This is a neat little alu-cab setup. So if you want a canopy and a tent, here's an alu-cab with a wedge tent style here. It's pretty nice. And then they also sell power brakes. So we got to meet the guy from Power Brakes down at Jeep Beach. And so they can sell you power brakes and install them. And these things are pretty nice. 6 piston calipers, bigger rotors, just give you more stopping power. Over here we got some AEV bumpers and accessories. So if you don't buy a Prospector, they can build you one here. Basically using any of the AEV line of equipment. And then over here some BD Baja Designs lights. So very cool little shop. They can do just about anything here. They got some AVO swag, and yeah, it's a great looking little shop right here in the heart of Jacksonville. So if you live in Florida, Georgia, maybe even South Carolina, it's only a couple hour drive to get down here. Their other shop is actually in Asheville, North Carolina. And it's a great little team. We've met them a couple of times, super friendly folks. They just want to take and build cool rigs and get people out there in the overlanding. Over here with Brad DeRue from Overlanders. Brad, what did you think? This was my first time being at AVO Jacksonville.
This is awesome. Yeah, for 40 minutes away from my house. I don't know why I'm not here more often. This has been a fantastic experience, and I'm just drooling on all the stuff over here.
You might get in trouble with the wife and kids, you know, too much time hanging out at the off-road store.
They're gonna have to kick me out. I'm just gonna hang out here and drink coffee.
Hey, so appreciate it to the Asheville Vehicle Outfitters team. Great event. Got some coffee, some donuts, and great time just hanging out with some folks. So yeah, appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, if you would smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell so you get the notifications, and keep coming back for more. Once again, I get to share my dreams with you, but the true purpose of this channel is inform, motivate, and inspire you so you can get out there and start building your dreams.